People, wake up. This is the new scam.
Holy